So guys, we are inside the Spring app. Let's make a new project. Image assets. Then the background you want. Tab on top right cross button. Now we are inside our main project. Tab on empty space to unselect everything. Tab on overlay. Let's import our image. Suppose this one. Now if we move the playhead, as you can see our image duration is 4.49 seconds. There are two ways to increase or decrease the duration of the image or video clip. The first one, tab on top right side settings button, and here we have default photo duration. It's now 4.5 seconds. That's why when we imported our image, the duration was 4.49 seconds. Let's max it out, 15 seconds. Try to import the same image one more time. See, now the duration is 15 seconds. The second way, manually tab and hold on the edge of the image layer, then just drag it to increase or decrease the duration of the image layer. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.